1, 2, 3. Golden Walk. Okay, go. Andito na kami. Yung hair niya.
There was a pad thai here.
Maybe.
So I was about to call you that.
Come on, look, mommy. We're here in the Golden Walk. I don't know how many are we, okay?
That one's the biggest.
I'm gonna take a picture, please.
Mom, they literally throw pennies in here for this. That's good. Please throw a penny in.
I don't have a penny.
Wow.
1, 2, 3. Look, mommy.
Wow. I'm trying to look at the fish.
Look, mommy.
That's it. She looks like me when I got a haircut in
I know. Wala na maganda eh.
Hi there. Happy birthday. Namayot ka. Namayot ka.
Yeah. Malik na ko na iniisip.
Happy birthday to you.
Ano ko rin niyo? Ang sarap naman ito kaya ano to?
Anything super car, I cannot.
Is it good? Wow. See, I told you.
Can I get pad thai? Can I get beef?
Thank you, Lord. Did you pray your food?
Ganito lang sa